Olá a todos, or I should say hello everyone. My name is Nuno Sepúlveda and I'm Portuguese by birth from the beautiful city of Lisbon. If you've never been into my city, I strongly recommend it. However, I'm recording this video from the Warsaw University of Technology where I'm a visiting professor with a grant from the Polish National Agency for Academic Exchange. My academic background is actually not in biomedical sciences, is actually in applied mathematics, especially in biostatistics. However, in my PhD project, I made a big change from biostatistics to theoretical immunology. And I did this change because I was very much intrigued by how the immune system distinguishes self from non-self and how autoimmune diseases emerge from an impairment of self-regulation. In November 2010, I joined the London School of Hygiene and Tropical Medicine as a research fellow to conduct research on statistical genetics and genetic epidemiology of malaria, so a field very far away from ME/CFS. After some years, I became an assistant professor in epidemiology and biostatistics with special focus on antibody data and how it can be used in malaria epidemiology and malaria elimination certification. It was during my stay at the London School where I met Luís Nakul and Eliana Lacerda, who were two of the founders and curators of the UK ME/CFS Biobank. They introduced me to the disease through a collaboration to analyze data from the biobank. After that collaboration, I got deeply motivated to do research on ME/CFS, and now I have a little research group called Immunostats with a specific mission to find biomarkers to complex disease such as ME/CFS, fibromyalgia, and Gulf War illness. In January 2020, I had the pleasure to lead a project about antibody response against EBV-derived antigens as putative biomarkers for ME/CFS. This project was funded by ME Research UK and was done in collaboration with Carmen Scheibenbogen from Charité in Berlin, Germany, and Eliana Lacerda from the London School of Hygiene and Tropical Medicine in the UK. The starting point of the project was a reanalysis of a large number of antibody response to Epstein-Barr virus in ME/CFS patients, and these responses were compared to healthy controls. In this reanalysis, we identified a couple of antibody responses that could distinguish patients with an infectious disease onset from healthy controls. Therefore, we thought that this antibody response could be used as a disease biomarker for the patients. To confirm this result, we evaluate the same antibody response in the participants of the UK ME/CFS Biobank and in a new German cohort of patients and healthy controls. Our results suggested that the German ME/CFS patients with a report EBV infection at their disease onset could be indeed distinguished from their healthy counterparts. Unfortunately, the results from the UK ME/CFS Biobank were not so promising, probably because of the older age and longer disease duration of the patients. In the future, I would like to extend our analysis to better understand the results from the UK ME/CFS Biobank. Me personally, I would like to continue to analyze ME/CFS data to discover better disease biomarkers and to improve patient stratification. My final words are for the ME Research UK, especially the Fred and Joan Davies Bequest, who funded this project. I would like to thank all the patients and healthy volunteers for contributing with samples to this study, and I would like to thank you all for listening. Muito obrigado e até uma próxima vez. Adeus.